हाय अनिंदिता, वेलकम टू सिने स्पीक्स। मेरा नाम है ऐश्वर्या। तो सबसे पहले मैं पूछना चाहूंगी आप कैसे हैं? हाउ इज बीन लॉकडाउन फॉर यू?
Hi, Aishwarya. I've been very, very good actually. Actually, last year lockdown में तो ऐसा लगा कि भाई एक बहुत ही uh, अच्छा मतलब फ्री टाइम थोड़ा स्पेंड करने को मिल जाए घर पे विद फैमिली विद डॉग्स एंड एवरीवन। ये साल लॉकडाउन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट रहा because it kind of affected my inner circle of people. Uh, I mean, I think what time mila to do a lot of introspection. So also to to just the importance of life and everything actually,
True.
and but also very surprisingly during these very dark phases that our world is going through. मेरे दो अच्छे शोज रिलीज हुए लास्ट ईयर लॉकडाउन में। पाताल लोक रिलीज हुआ
जी।
एंड दिस ईयर रे रिलीज। सो दोज आर my happy moments during these dark times that we are all going through.
या कमिंग टू रे, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस? आपका एक्सपीरियंस रे के साथ कैसा था? कैसा लगा आपको काम करके? एक एक अलग से एक रोल में आप आई तो कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस विद द कास्ट, क्रू, डायरेक्टर?
um I couldn't believe कि I was going to be a part of a Satyajit Ray story. मतलब, usually Bengalis are so attached to Satyajit Ray, and they are because they've grown up just hearing his stories, watching his movies, so we are very attached that way.
यस।
तो जब मुझे पता चला कि ये प्रोजेक्ट इज टू डू विथ हिज सेंटेनियल ईयर एंड his contribution to cinema, I felt I just felt very lucky. I thought that I'm lucky to be part of such a project. And last year जब लॉकडाउन थोड़ा ईज होने लगा तभी हम इसका शूट कर रहे थे। सो ऑफ कोर्स तभी थोड़ा टेंशन में ही हम शूट कर रहे थे, बट ऑफ कोर्स ऑल काइंड ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस एंड सब प्रोटोकॉल्स मेंटेन करके शूट कर रहे थे, तो इसलिए बहुत हमें टाइम भी लग गया। हमने हमारा फर्स्ट स्केड्यूल शूट किया था अक्टूबर में, फिर सेकंड शेड्यूल शूट करते करते जैन हो गया, दिस ईयर जैन।
ओह माय
सो
गॉड।
it was great. It was a great experience. Also, I got to work with Ali for the first time, with Shweta for the first time. श्रीजीत मुखर्जी जो ये फिल्म के डायरेक्टर है, उनके साथ ऑलरेडी पहले एक फिल्म मैं कर चुकी हूँ कैलकाटा में. So of course I've known him for 10 years. So for me working with him was just collaborating with him all over again, and also because we've just we've known each other for so long.
या।
But working with Ali and Shweta was such a delight because they both are such powerhouse actors, and they come with just so much of knowledge of this craft कि उनको देखकर बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. Also because I've been such a big fan of Guddu Bhaiya, and also Shweta from back in Makri days, and so it was amazing. It was great.
गुड टू हियर ऑल ऑफ दैट। ओके, टेल मी, आपने एक्टिंग की जर्नी अपनी कैसे और कब शुरू की? कब आपने सोचा कि मुझे एक्टिंग में जाना है?
Um, Actually, I call myself an accidental actor. Although my parents and my friends refused to believe that, क्योंकि उनको तो लगता था कि बचपन से ही मुझे शौक था एक्टिंग की, but I don't know, कभी सोचा नहीं कि I will pursue this professionally. I actually wanted to be a production designer. So that is why I also did my art course from JJ School of Fine Arts, क्योंकि मुझे production designing करनी थी. I mean, I knew कि I wanted to be a part of this field, but acting ही करना ये I was a little skeptical of.
Interesting.
But then while I was doing that, and I was the day I graduated was when I got a call from Calcutta. Uh, this channel was being launched over there, and it was being headed by someone who I knew. So उन्होंने कहा कि why don't you come over here and थोड़ा creatively मुझे help कर दो. So चली गई मैं कलकत्ता. I was like, हाँ ठीक है, I've been in Bombay my entire life. Let me go to Calcutta, work for a year or two, and come back with some experience. तो जब मैं कैलकाटा गई and I was helping him out with some of his projects, तो उन्होंने ही कहा कि why don't you give an audition? And I was like, यार मुझे तो बांग्ला ठीक तरह से बोलने नहीं आता है, लिखने नहीं आता है,
Oh,
पढ़ने नहीं आता है. Yeah, I know I'm Bengali, but I'm not proud of the fact that कि बांग्ला मुझे बोलने नहीं आता, because यहाँ पर in Bombay मेरे एक भी बंगाली फ्रेंड्स नहीं है. एंड प्राइमरीली घर पे हम इंग्लिश में ही बात करते हैं. तो तो आई मीन आई नो बांग्ला, बट देन बहुत ही लाइक टूटा हुआ बांग्ला था तभी 10 years बैक. नाउ आई एम फ्लुएंट क्योंकि इतने सालों से वहां पर काम कर रही थी. ऑल्सो आई लर्न हाउ टू रीड एंड राइट in the process. So हाँ, तो तभी I gave an audition, and I didn't know anything what I was doing. I just got a script. Instantly जो आया मन में मैंने कर दिया. The director really liked it, and that's how I got my first show, which was quite a hit in Calcutta. And then I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, चलो अभी हो गया. Now I'm going to go back to Bombay and start working on what I really want to do. And then that was when I got a call from Rituparno Ghosh's production house for this beautiful show called Gaane Ropare. And I was like, I can't really miss out on this opportunity. So let me stay back, let me work with him. I mean, how many of how many of us are this lucky to work with him? And so yeah, I mean, when I was working with him on this project called Gaane Ropare, I kind of really fell in love with this field and this craft, and just this entire process of getting into a character's skin, understanding that character. And so this whole process made me fall in love with acting. And then it's just been 10 years now that I've been doing this, and
wow.
that's what it's been going good.
Great, amazing, amazing. Okay, then tell me, आपने OTT में अभी you have worked in lot of films in OTT. तो OTT का experience किसी तरह से क्या different था from films you have been working in, या मतलब किसी तरह से shooting में कोई difference आपको महसूस हुआ, या आपको comfortableness किसमें ज़्यादा लगा?
Comfort, I think, is was the same everywhere, be it a film, be it an OTT release platform. Comfort was okay everywhere. Maybe formats were a little different, क्योंकि जब हम लोग एक वेब शो करते हैं तो उसका टाइम पीरियड थोड़ा ज्यादा रहता है, whereas it is a little lesser when you're doing a film. When I'm playing a character on an OTT platform, then I'm living with that character for a longer time than I am when I'm doing a film. So these are the only few differences that I find when I'm doing in these different mediums.
Okay, okay. And also tell me, आपकी कोई ऐसी favorite film हो जिसमें आपको acting करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आया हो, या you just love your role in that, something you cherish?
There's this film called Bhuter Bhovishot in Calcutta.
Yes.
It's a Bengali film, and okay, you know of it. So I had a very interesting character to play in it. It was a small character, but it was a very interesting character. But overall, just to be a part of that iconic film was it was great. Like, in fact, recently also some fans reached out Bhuter Bhuvishwat fans reached out and they were talking about the film and how much they enjoyed it, and we just started reliving it. And in fact, मैंने फिर से film देखी to just relive that entire moment. And so yeah, I'm extremely proud of that film and extremely happy the way that film was received by everyone. Um, yeah, that is one film that's very close to my heart. Another film that I did with Proshenjit Chatterjee. That was my first film that I did. It's called Clerk, and I had no dialogues in that film. I just kind of had to. It was just all based on facial expressions. Cause that's my first film, so that film is very very close to my heart. Another film that I don't know how much, I can't really say anything about it right now, but it's going to be my first Hindi debut film,
New
which
project.
will be new project.
Wow,
जो
that's
ये साल lockdown के पहले we managed to finish it on time, and just now post production work is going on, and hopefully when I can talk about it, I will talk about it. But very very excited about that film, very excited about the character. So yeah.
Okay. Who has been your inspiration? आपके कोई ऐसे inspiration रहे हैं जिसको आप बहुत follow करती हैं या बहुत मानती हैं in the ways of acting, or anything which inspires you a lot about this person?
When it comes to acting, I feel like everyone should have their own individual process. But definitely Konkona Sen Sharma is someone who I've been following forever. I love her. I love what she does. I just what she gets to a character and to a project, and it can be any kind of film that she's a part of, like 15 Park Avenue, then Goinar Baksho, then Wake Up Sid, Aja Nachle, Gili Poochi that she just did recently. I think I don't think there is anything that she can't do. Also, Death in the Gunj. She directed a beautiful film.
Yeah.
So I have been a huge fan and an ardent follower of her work, and she truly inspires me. So yeah, it is definitely Konkona Sen Sharma.
Amazing, amazing. Everybody loves her. She's an amazing artist. And
Absolutely.
okay, tell me, I have heard, I've seen that you have come up with your, your friend Saurabh in a video album. So how was that experience coming up with your own buddy, your own partner in a video album? How was it?
So collaborating with him is always fun because that comfort level is there always, and whenever we end up collaborating together, we try to give something different to the audience because हम लोग ने इतने सारे projects already कर लिए हैं. We were part of this Guti Mollar trilogy that's come out. So every time that we do something together, we try to give something different, and that is always our main aim. So it's always fun collaborating with him, always.
Amazing. How is your entire journey, if you say from where you started, when you look back, तो आपको कैसा फील होता है? क्या आप कोई ऐसे मेमोरीज, कोई ऐसे मोमेंट्स which you would like to share जो आपके बहुत ही क्या कह रहे, बहुत ही अमेजिंग मोमेंट्स या बहुत ही फनी कुछ ऐसे मोमेंट्स जो आपके साथ हुए हो इस पूरे जर्नी में, जो आप शेयर करना चाहिए, और व्हेन यू रिफ्लेक्ट आपको वो सब बातें याद आती हैं एंड यू फील दैट किस तरह से आपने अचानक ये जर्नी शुरू कर दी थी और अब आप यहाँ पहुंच गई हैं?
I mean, it is exactly everything that you just said. Sometimes I can't believe कि 10 साल I've been doing this, and today I'm here back in my city and working over here. Of course, few years back I couldn't even imagine कि मैं बॉम्बे में आके बॉम्बे में काम करूंगी, because um, I think now our industry, and because of this OTT platform boom, a lot of new actors are being appreciated, and um, beauty definition has been kind of blurred out when it comes to having like a certain kind of actor or actress as a part of your film or a project. So, because so much has been blurred out in the last 4 years, I think is why it was very easy for me also to take this leap and start trying in Bombay. Because I was like, it looks like I will be accepted over here. But again, that was just like, हाँ चलो try करके देखते हैं. But over the past 4 years, the kind of acceptance and the kind of work that I've been a part of has been extremely overwhelming, because I don't come from a filmy background. I don't have anyone helping me out. It's just been a journey of auditions, from offices to offices, and a lot of rejections, of course, a lot of rejections, and days when, of course, I'm also feeling a little low and, oh God, will this even happen? But I feel at the end of it, this entire journey that an actor goes through, I just think that it just makes us stronger. And also, the most important thing for an actor who is trying to make it, on his own, is the fact that they should have like a very strong support system. Family plays a huge role in this whole support system bit. And because, of course, the days that you're down, the fact that you can, fall back on them and just go through the day in a better way than what you're feeling. So of course, these are few things that have helped me over here, and also the appreciation that I get after a project comes out also really, really helps me and makes me feel like, oh wow, okay, chalo, maybe I'm doing good, or maybe I'm doing something fine or okay or right. Um, Whereas in Calcutta, I remember, I'll tell you the day when I realized that, okay, fine, I should, maybe take this up very seriously, was when I got my first award for Rituparna Ghosh's show called Gaane Ropare. I got my first supporting actress award. And I remember sitting in the audience, and I was just ready to leave because I was like, I'm a little socially awkward, so maybe it takes me a little time to adjust with everything. So I was like, okay, fine, I'm here. I've seen a lot of performances. I'm ready to go. Then everyone was like, please, please, just wait for some time. Then I was waiting, and I was nominated along with all these big actresses in Calcutta, and I was like, oh, I'm nominated. I had no idea. And then suddenly my name has been called, and I'm just still sitting in my chair. And whereas the one sitting next to me, this colleague of mine, she's like, they're calling you. They're calling you. I was like, really? So, I went up and I was like, I couldn't talk. And I was like, oh my God, okay, I can't believe that I'm getting this award. But for me, that was a very, very, very special moment, and a realization that, okay, maybe I'm good at this, and maybe I should seriously pursue it and go ahead with just go ahead with this. So yeah, so
thank God you went ahead with your instincts. We have got such a wonderful actor today, and
thanks.
seen Ray, your performance is excellent, and we need outstanding actors like you who focus on their art so beautifully. And thank you so much for the interview today. I wish you all the best for your upcoming projects, and
Thank you, Aishwarya.